Welcome to the Marty Sats YouTube channel. In this video today, I'm going to be demonstrating how to use our platform to build a website for your building material store. Now, if you've just randomly come across this video today and you haven't heard of Marty Sites yet, Marty Sites is the easiest way to create a simple website for your small business. You can literally launch your own websites in less than a minute. It's super affordable. The service is only going to cost you $9 a month, and there is a free trial available for 7 days. So make sure you click on the link below this video, sign up for the free trial, and give it a go. See how it works for you and your small business. Once you join the platform, the first thing it's going to ask you to do at the top is to search for your markets. We have hundreds of different markets to choose from for different small businesses, solopreneurs, and people with different side hustles. And we are adding more markets every single week. So I'm going to head to the top quickly and I'm going to search for my market, building material store. There it is over there. I'm now going to go ahead and select that option. Great, let's tell Marty Sites a few basic details about our building materials store so it can generate a simple website for us. I'm going to go ahead and put in my company name as well as my city and my state or region. It doesn't matter where your building material store is located, you can enjoy the Marty Site service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Let's leave the country as the USA, and I'm going to go ahead and change the type of business from restaurant to retail, and I'm now going to go ahead and click on continue. Great. How can our customers get in touch with us? I'm going to go ahead and pop in my phone number over here as well as my email address and click on continue. Awesome. Where is our building material store located? I'm going to go ahead and put in my street's address over here as well as my postal code and click on continue. Excellent. Let's get our hours set up. What time do we open on a Monday? I'm going to say we open from 9 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. We also open on a Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and a Saturday. We closed on Sundays. Awesome. Let's do a quick review, make sure everything's in order, but everything looks pretty good to me, so I'm going to move along. If you need to make changes, click on update location or update hours and make the necessary changes. Look at that. Marty Sites has literally generated a simple website for my building materials store in not even a minute. Let's take a closer look at what it's come up with together. Now, the beauty of Marty Sites is we've pre-written all the content for you as a guideline, of course, and we've pre-selected all the images. They're all really high quality and they're completely free to use. However, I'm sure you've got some awesome images of all the different products you stock in your building material store, and you want to make one or two changes to that content that was pre-written for you as a guideline, you can absolutely do that. So today, that's exactly what I'm going to be showing you. I'm going to be walking you through the process from the top to the bottom, making my way through each section so you can have just a little bit of a look and feel of how the platform works and how simple it is to use. Now, you don't need to know coding, you don't need to be a web professional, and you certainly don't need to hire a web professional to help you with this either. You can do it all yourself. So let's get cracking, building our website, going through it for our building materials store. I'm quickly going to make my way to the top and I'm going to click on update section, the first section over here at the top. And I want to make sure my email address is displayed on my Marty Sites website so my customers can easily reach out to me. So I'm going to go ahead and check that box. Awesome. It's next to my phone number, which is click to call, by the way. Our address, we've already put in our physical location. It's displayed in the top left, and we can click on it and be taken directly to Google Maps to get directions to our physical location. Awesome. Let's head over to update social links. Now, over here, we can put in our various social media platforms that our building material store is open in. Go ahead and put in your various accounts here: Twitter, LinkedIn, YouTube, and Facebook as well. The icons will be displayed on your website as well. Awesome. Let's move along. I'm now going to head over to update logo. Now, if you don't have a logo yet for your business because you're in the startup process, that's completely okay. Marty Sites will literally just display your business name here and it still looks really great and professional. However, I do have a logo, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to upload it. Awesome. Let's wait for that to upload. Upload is now being completed. If I do want to make one or two slight amendments to it, so I'm going to click on this little pencil over there, and I'm going to ever so slightly crop it so it fits better into that section at the top. Now we can add filters, we can decorate it, we can add frames to our logo, we can zoom in, rotate it, flip it, etc. Make the changes you like, and once it's uploaded again, let's click on save. Now, when your logo's been saved and uploaded, you can as well make it bigger and smaller, but I think that sizing is perfect, so I'm going to go ahead and leave it exactly the way it is. Now with multi-sites as well, we've pre-selected all the colors used throughout your website for you. Basically, we wanted to make it as easy as possible when it comes to launching a website for your small business. However, perhaps these colors don't quite go with your marketing, your message, your branding, your logo. You can change it. You don't need to know color coding. All you need to do is click on this little paint bucket on the bottom right hand corner and go through the various different color palettes available. So I'm going to scroll right to the end. Let me take a look and see which one, although the one that's already selected I really like, I'm going to go ahead and try this one. I like it with the white at the top so my logo really stands out. Absolutely perfect, looks awesome. Let's move along. Over here, I'm going to head over to update image. If you've got your own images, browse your device and upload it. Otherwise, search through the photo library. There are hundreds of images to choose from. Multi-sites will automatically search for building material store. However, you can play around and search for other terms as well. I'm going to go ahead and select this one, see how that looks. Excellent, that works well for now. I can change it at a later stage. Let's save our image selection and head over to update contents. Now over here we can change the title and subtitle to suit our business needs. Button doesn't have to say contact us today. Perhaps you wanted to change it to say get directions, for example. Let's go ahead and do that and click on choose link. Now over here we can link to another website if necessary. We can link to an action like click to call, directions, or click to email. So I'm going to go ahead and select directions for this one. Otherwise, we can upload a PDF file, which is a great option to upload a catalog or your current promotions in PDF format if you have those. Awesome, let's move along. Over here again, pre-written content for you as a guideline. Button can link to various places. If you want to make changes, click on update section and work your magic. We've now made our way into the About Us section. Over here, you can put a little bit more details of your business, how it came to be, how long you've been in the building materials store industry, maybe a little bit more of your team running the show. Go ahead and put all the details over here. Your customers would love to hear your story. Over here, the next section is the services section. So over here, you can put a little bit more details, the different services or the products you offer. Do you stock cement, structural steel, fireplaces, hardware, stone, paint, lumber, fiberglass? Go ahead and put all the details over here so your customers know what they can come to your store for, what products you can provide them with. If you need to make any other changes to that address, physical location, trading hours, click on update section and make the changes. Now, if you have a custom domain for your building materials store, all you need to do is click on connect your domain. Let's go ahead and do that and say I already have a domain. Now, if you're struggling in connecting it, there is a blog post over on our website, www.martysites.com. Head on over to our website and click on the blog at the top of the page. Let's check it out. In addition to step-by-step guides on linking your custom domain, you'll also find some fantastic tips and advice for marketing your small business online. I do recommend you check out the blog. Lots of valuable information here in marketing your small business, so do check it out. If you don't have a domain yet, click on I want a new domain because you can now purchase your custom domain via the multi-sites platform. We've recently introduced the feature and we're super excited about it. I really hope this tutorial was helpful in building a website for your building materials store. I'm really wishing you and your business mighty success. And if you have any suggestions or any features you'd like to see in future on the Mighty Sites platform, do comment below and let us know. We'd really love to hear your feedback.